Oh my goodness, I am back from my trip and look how everything has grown in the garden. Oh, look at that curly mint, the lime mint, the fennel. Oh my gosh, look over here. My gardenia bushes have even bloomed while I've been gone. Look at the tulips, they're about to bloom. This watermelon is coming out of the pot. It's growing its vines. Look at this squash. I actually have squash. Look, I have real squash that's already grown. Oh my God, that one in the back there looks like it's ready for harvesting. Let's see here. I couldn't wait till morning to come out here. Oh my God, look at that thyme. Look at the strawberries. Oh my goodness. This is the cucumber plant. Look at the flowers. Look at all of that grow. Oh, you can barely see the, there go the carrots underneath. The dill. Oh, and look at all of this spinach. It's ready for harvesting. The beets are looking great. They're still thriving under here. Look at all of those carrot heads. Oh my gosh. Now this needed water today, so I just watered it, and hopefully by morning this will have revived itself. This is not in a self-watering plant. That's that honey melon sage and the buttered crunch lettuce juice is so delicious. So I'm hopeful that the water I just poured on it will revive it. But it looks like everything else in here is doing. Ooh, gotta get to that chamomile. It needs some water too. But look at all of this lettuce. This is that red tail lettuce, the romaine, the chard. This is a zucchini plant. Look at all of those flowers. And look at the zucchini. The flowers coming out of the zucchini. That's the oregano. Look at this tomato plant. I do have a ring to hold it up, but this tomato plant is, has outgrown the ring, so I'm going to have to adjust that so it can continue to go up. The poor basil is just all underneath. I need to give it some water. The verbena bush is growing. Look, the red peppers have leaves. That is the peppermint. Here is that lavender, and look at the corn of the cob as tall as that point on the wall. I'm probably going to have to do something to hold it up, and so I'm going to have to probably make some modifications for that, but I think it's going to be fine. But this is what has happened to the garden in just 6 days. So in the morning, it's going to be really spectacular to see what everything looks like, because I'm going to water a few things that look like they had a little drought today, and then work on the garden in the morning to make sure everything is upright. But wow, after being gone for 7 days, this garden has grown tremendously and is so exciting. And oh my gosh, the gardenia bushes have bloomed, and gardenia, oh, are nature's perfume. So here is the evening after coming back for a little extended stay in the garden.